So here I am with another cryptocurrency hardware wallet. This is the KeepKey. A little bit different from the Nano, the Ledger Nano and the Trezor. They say it's a simple cryptocurrency hardware wallet that secures Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Dash and multiple ERC20 tokens. A lot of explanation of how it works online, but you can see here it's virus and malware proof, works in PC, Mac, Linux and Android. Now I don't want to talk about the features too much as yet. This is just an unboxing. I just want to show you what's in the box and give you an idea of what you can expect when you actually buy this. After that I will be showing you how it works. I'll be testing it and I'll be showing you how it works and giving you my thoughts on it. So here we have it, and I have to remove this beautiful holographic seal here. And there it's there. A little explanation of where to get started. It's actually a little bit smaller than I thought, because when you look at the pictures it looks quite large. So as far as build quality goes, this actually looks really good. Looks really, really nice. Very well made. The USB connection there. There's one button there. Let's see what else we have in the box. So you have a braided USB cable with a micro B connection. That looks quite good. Looks like a decent length as well. You've got your warranty, and I assume this is password. Yeah, recovery sentence. So you've got the recovery sentence there as well, 12 words. Thought I could flip open. No, that's card. So 12 words for your recovery sentence. Now if I just quickly connect this, I just want to quickly show you the screen. Look at the cable. Cable is a very good length. That's a lot longer than what I expected to get. It's probably around, I don't know if that's maybe under a meter, maybe 2 feet. Switching between different units, that's not good. So here we have it. This is it switching on. This is what you'll see when you switch on the device. Now, I think this is a very well made device. That's my first impression of it. It looks solid. It looks like a quality product. In comparison to the Nano, it is a lot bigger, and to the Trezor. This is a hell of a lot bigger than those devices. But what you get with that is this beautiful display, and this is going to show you passphrases and all that. When you're using the Nano and the Trezor, you know, these screens are very, very small, so you do have to kind of bring them close up to you. This is a larger display, and it's still very portable. It's not like this thing is huge. It's still a portable device. So I will be testing this. I will be seeing what this can do and what it's all about, and then I'll be giving you my thoughts on how this works, the software for it and all that, and giving you my overall opinion on what it can do, what it's like, what I don't like. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. There really isn't much to say. You get a USB braided cable, you get the device itself, you get a warranty card, and you get a recovery sentence. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all in the next one. Take care.